Welcome to the new academic year 2020-21. Today we will begin with the first section of Science and Technology Part 2 lessons. Ninth standard, you have to learn science in two parts. Science 1 40 marks or Science 2 40 marks. Together you will have 80 marks paper in your semester exam and 20 marks practicals also. So let us start with the new chapter. Chapter number 6, Classification of Plants. In this chapter, you have to learn in detail about living organisms, about plants which belong to lower type of characters like herbs, very microorganisms and all. In detail you have to learn. So how living organisms are classified? They are classified on the basis of their characters. Here I prepared a PPT. Based on that I will explain. So this is the welcome. Our school is welcoming you to the new academic year. Now let us start with the PPT. Living organisms are classified into prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotes. Another one classification, Monera. Then in case of eukaryotes, it is classified into unicellular and multicellular organisms. Uni means only one cell, very minute, very small. Last year in 8th standard, you learned about bacteria and all. Now we all are scared about virus, COVID-19 virus. Very, very minute. You can't able to see. It is invisible. It is there in the surroundings. That is what we all are staying at home. No one is coming out. This online teaching also we started. We all are afraid of this COVID-19 virus, right? So like that uni, it is very minute. With the naked eyes, we can't see. But it is there in the surrounding or in the atmosphere or wherever it could able to stay. So like that unicellular, very, very minute organisms. And multicellular. Multi means many, many. Multiples, you in maths you learn multiples of 7, multiples of 8, multicellular. So many cells will be there. That is eukaryotic plants, eukaryotic organisms classification. So first, living organisms classified into prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryote is again having one subdivision, Monera. Eukaryote, unicellular and multicellular. A scientist known as Whittaker, he proposed this classification. The name of this classification is Whittaker's 5-kingdom system. Now, these unicellular organisms are again classified into Protista. Multicellular with cell wall and without cell wall. Unicellular, another one classification is Protista. Multicellular with cell wall and without cell wall. Now we will move to with cell wall. Again subclassifications are there. Which are they? Heterotrophs and autotrophs. Heterotrophs, example is fungi. You must have seen that during the rainy season on the brick walls where cement covering is not there, small growths. So we say that it is fungus, or sometimes stale bread surface also you must have seen black growth. We say it is fungus, it is fungal infected. On the leather materials, leather sandals, leather belt and all, or leather purse, you must have seen some outdoor small growth. They all are coming under fungi. So they are these heterotrophs are depending upon other living organisms for their food materials. So that is with cell wall, first classification. Second one is autotrophs plantae. Plants. Plant A means all the plants are coming under this section. Almost all the green plants, they can produce their own, or they can prepare their own food materials. Next is without cell wall. All the animals, a vast varieties of animals are there around this surrounding. So they all are coming under this without cell wall group. So once again we'll move. Living organisms, prokaryote, eukaryote. Prokaryote again classified, Monera. Eukaryote, unicellular, multicellular. Unicellular, Protista. Multicellular with cell wall, without cell wall. With cell wall again classified into heterotrophs. Example, fungi. Autotrophs, Plantae. Without cell wall, Animalia. So that is this is known as Whittaker's 5 kingdom system. I think you all have understood the structure of classification. This is the preliminary flowchart, concept map. If you learn this, you will get an idea what all in detail you have to learn in the coming sections. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.